Nicole Newman?
Yes?
The doctor's ready to see you now.
Okay.
Okay, so what brought you in here today?
Well, I have a really bad stomach pain.
I'll tell the doctor. She'll be in here in a few minutes, okay?
Okay.
Hello, Nicole. I'm Dr. Newman, and what seems to be the problem today?
Well, I think there's something wrong with my stomach.
Okay, well, to figure out what's wrong with you, we'll take you through the path of digestion.
Hey, doctor.
Yeah?
Is there anything I can do for you?
You can go get the...
The needle?
No, never mind. I'll get it myself.
She never lets me get the needle. Oh, hi, doctor.
Hi. Okay, let's start at the very beginning of digestion.
Okay, but I have no idea what the digestive system does.
Wow, okay, this is going to go nowhere, so I'll be right back.
Alright, well, first, there's the three functions of the digestive system. They first absorb the nutrients, then they break down foods, and lastly, it eliminates waste. Courtney, would you like to explain the mouth to her?
Sure. In the mouth, teeth carry out mechanical digestion, and your saliva carries out chemical digestion.
Oh, and I know that here, enzymes begin to break down starches into sugars.
Good. Then to the esophagus. It is a flexible tube that connects the mouth to the stomach.
Yes, and food stays here for about 10 seconds. Then the epiglottis, which is a little flap, prevents food from going down the wrong tube.
Mucus is a thick, slippery substance that lines digestion, makes food easier to swallow. Peristalsis are the muscular contractions that push food through our system.
Great. Now the stomach. Courtney, would you like to explain it?
Sure, most of the mechanical digestion occurs here, and chemical digestion occurs with pepsin and hydrochloric acid. And the stomach can hold up to about 2 liters of food.
Then the hydrochloric acid helps the immune system by killing bacteria when it enters through the mouth, and the stomach is lined with a layer of mucus. Do you know anything else, Nicole?
Nope.
The epithelial cells replace themselves every 3 to 6 days, and food is always liquid when it leaves the stomach.
Okay, since we're already telling you about the digestive system, I'll tell you anyway, but I don't think it's any of these. Courtney?
Oh, yeah. Well, the small intestine is where most of the chemical digestion and absorption takes place.
And absorption occurs through millions of villi, enough to cover a whole tennis court.
Exactly. Two more things about the small intestine are that tiny capillaries run through each villus, allowing nutrients to be absorbed into the blood.
Fun fact, the small intestine is about 6 meters long and 2 to 3 centimeters in diameter.
That's a little off topic. Now let's go for the liver. The liver is the largest and heaviest organ. It also regulates glucose levels.
The liver stores iron and vitamins too, right? The liver does so many things. It filters damaged blood cells and bacteria from the blood.
And the only thing the gallbladder does is store bile. Do you know anything about the pancreas?
Yeah.
I do. Well, it releases enzymes which break down carbohydrates, fat, and proteins.
My turn. Try and top this, Courtney. Diabetes occurs when the pancreas either stops producing or doesn't produce enough insulin.
Good job.
What about the large intestine?
Do you know how long the large intestine is?
11 meters?
Yes, 11.5 meters long.
Wow, I guessed on that. 11's my lucky number.
The large intestine is also where water and electrolytes are reabsorbed. It is also 4 to 6 centimeters in diameter.
Don't forget that it forms and stores feces until you are ready to defecate, and that it contains bacteria that produces vitamins and methane gas, the reason for flatulence.
Is that all about the digestive system?
Yes.
Everything? Are you sure?
Yes, everything.
Thanks for the info. I'm going to go ace that test. Oh, by the way, I was never sick.